We're going to guide you how to install Epson Smart Panel on your Android phone. Go to Play Store on your phone, select Play Store, then search Epson Smart Panel. Epson Smart Panel, 399K reviews, 10 million plus downloads. Select Install. This app, you need this app to connect your printer, Epson printer, with your mobile phone for you to print or to scan document or for you to see the ink level and do so many things. So the app is getting ready. You can send document from your phone to the printer and print document once you connect the printer and your mobile phone to the same network. So the app is getting ready. This app is what you need to connect majority of Epson printer with your phone. Then select Open. So the app is installed. Select Open. Then select Next. Select Next. Location, select using this app. Select Next. Allow to use the app. Then it will start to search for the product. Searching for product, please wait. Then the next thing to do is, this is the app. From this app, if you are connecting the printer for the first time, then you select set up a new product. If you already connected the printer before, then you select connect a product already on the Wi-Fi network. You can also create a new Wi-Fi connection or connect via IP address. Let's say if you select set up a new product, then you select continue. Then it will start to search for available products. Once you have the printer switched on and make sure the printer is in a wireless mode, it will find the printer. At the moment, I don't have any printer right here. If the printer is not found, it will ask you, is a USB cable connected to the product? You select yes or no. So this is how to install Epson Smart Panel on your mobile phone.